Judge Bill and Tom Crane say they were sexually abused as boys at the Delbarton School in New Jersey. Their family lived on campus in the late 1970s, where their father served as an assistant headmaster. The twin brothers are now suing the school as well as St. Mary's Abbey, which runs the school. They join us this morning, Bill and Tom Crane, with their side of the story, as well as their attorney, Gregory Gianforcaro. So nice to have all of you here today. So the question I want to talk to you, Bill and Tom, is that, a lot of people are saying, this happened in 1977, between 1977 to 79. Why so long to come out?
Well, go ahead, Bill.
Go ahead, Bill.
Yeah, it's just a very serious crime that took place, and with the amount of intimidation and opposition to be able to come forward, it just, we didn't have the tools to be able to come forward.
Tom, or set the stage for us. What happened here?
Well, as far as coming out, I mean, just resurfacing, it takes 20, 30 years for things to resurface, and things came up, and it was like we were family at Delbarton School.
This Delbarton is an elite school, all-boys school in New Jersey. Just put it in perspective. The governor's son attends this school. Governor Chris Christie I'm talking about. And you're saying the suit, it claims that Reverend Justin Capato and Reverend Luke Travers are the priests that are responsible for this sexual abuse, right? So let me ask you, what happened?
Well, we'll certainly get into that with regard to in the discovery process of the lawsuit, but absolutely, these men were sexually abused as children, and as far as the specific allegations, absolutely, there's no doubt about the circumstances, and we'll get into that with regard to the suit.
Yeah, Delbarton wants to communicate that it's a minor boundary violation of what took place with individuals being abused at Delbarton. And we came forward and spoke to their investigators, and they tried to internalize the situation, and we decided that we did not want to be a part of the cover-up themselves. So we actually did our own investigation and realized that there were numerous boys for decades that were abused at Delbarton as well. And
in the past year, several people have stepped forward as well, that things have happened.
Absolutely.
That's right.
And the problem is that they're, with Brother Paul Deviney and Abbot Giles, they are not advocates of child sexual abuse, and so victims coming forward are intimidated and actually treated as the enemy.
Are you saying that there's a cover-up, that things aren't coming forward because of that?
Right.
It's the institution first and victims last.
No different than what we're witnessing at Penn State, is that they put the protection of the institution over the safety of children. And once again, we're looking at the hypocrisy of a Catholic institution that extends charity to everybody but victims of child sexual abuse, and there are no advocates among the leadership at Delbarton for victims.
As we said before, your father served as a headmaster. This was a place that you found sanctity in. You found this as a place where you trusted, right?
That's right, that's right. When we grew up there, my brother and I were water boys for every sport that that existed at Delbarton. We were there, and it's been a part of our family for over 40 years. So
I mean, in the suit, can you get into specifics as what happened? Because there was a quote in the press conference in the Star-Ledger, if I might say. People say that how bad can it be? They didn't rape you, but please go on to explain.
Well, yeah, I think it's fair to say that we didn't have hot coffee spilled onto us.
Okay.
We were showed at a very young age pornography, and then we're put in awkward positions where they were able to, very vulnerable situations where they had access and violated us.
But I was going to say, not to interrupt you guys, but there is no small boundary violation when it comes to sexual abuse of children. It doesn't matter what the circumstances or what the degree. There's no excuse for childhood sexual abuse.
So what would you like to see done? Because the statute of limitations has it run out. What would you like to see done?
Well, that's the ironic thing here in this state, is the fact is that the key legislator happens to is Governor Christie, whose son attends this school. And certainly under the circumstances, we'd like to see change in the legislation. Senator Joe Vitale, Nick Scutari, and Assemblyman Pat Barnes have sponsored legislation to help victims like Tommy and Bill.
Right, when we were abused at St. Mary's Abbey, Abbot Brian Clark was the abbot there, and at that time, that's where people went if they were abused, and so we would like to know what information that Abbot Brian Clark has.
Bill, Tom, I got to stop this here, but thank you so much for opening this lines of conversation, and for other people who can step forward and take courage in your story, that it is okay to step forward.
I hope they do.
Thanks. Yeah, and we're encouraging them all to come forward.
Okay, thank you so much. Of course, we'll continue to follow this case as it unfolds. For more information, go to PIX11.com. The time right now